getting ready to leave Cozumel.
Which one's that?
They're blowing the horns at each other.
Yeah. We're leaving right now. We're moving. They're not. There's last minute people coming in.
None of them are on here.
That's pretty good. I got that on
Whoa, it feels like they're leaving, but really we are.
What?
That's weird.
You can see bottoms on you.
Wow. There's a lot of people out on their balconies.
One, two there, look down there.
Yeah.
There's a little ways off there now.
They must be leaving later than we are. Oh yeah, it would
Off that top.
hurt.
The water. It's a lot bigger than it looks.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You can see bottom. Yeah.
So anybody that is not on the ship is getting left in Cozumel.
You guys are getting on that one.
Say hi.
Hey!
That's kind of elation. It's quite a bit small.
Are the dolphins?
Oh. That ship's quite a bit smaller than we are.
Wait a bit, Mom. They're on their little deck, and we're on our deck 8. And we have 12 decks.
Goodbye, Cozumel.
How many decks that ship have on it, man?
I don't know.
Well, you've been on the Vikings.
Yeah, I know. Must be 11.